Stop letting a mountain of medical debt keep you trapped in the past. Medical bankruptcy is the leading cause of financial ruin in the United States, but it is not the end of your story. If you feel like you have lost everything to a hospital bill, you are about to learn how to take it all back. Today, I am showing you the exact steps to rebuild your credit and your life after a medical financial crisis. Welcome back to Smart Life. The first thing you must do is separate your medical debt from your living expenses. Once you have filed for bankruptcy, that old debt is legally discharged and cannot be collected. Stop answering calls from old collectors and focus all your energy on your current cash flow. Build a tiny emergency fund of at least $1,000 as fast as possible. This prevents you from falling back into debt the next time a minor car repair or a doctor visit pops up. Next, you need to jumpstart your credit score using a secured credit card. A secured card requires a small deposit that acts as your credit limit. Use this card only for small recurring bills like Netflix or a cheap gas station run. Pay the balance in full every single month without exception. This sends a signal to the credit bureaus that you are now a responsible borrower despite your past. Within 6 to 12 months, your score will start to climb out of the basement. You should also look into a credit builder loan from a local credit union. These loans do not give you the money up front, but instead hold it in a savings account while you make payments. At the end of the term, you get the cash back and a major boost to your credit history. It is a low-risk way to prove you can handle monthly installments again. Keep a very close eye on your credit report for any zombie debt. Sometimes old medical collectors will try to report a discharged debt as a new late payment. This is illegal under federal law, and you must dispute it immediately through the credit bureau website. Cleaning up these errors can jump your score by 50 points in a single month. Here is a bonus trick to help you save on future medical costs while you are rebuilding. Look for a direct primary care doctor in your area. These doctors do not take insurance and charge a flat monthly fee of around $60 to $80. It covers almost all your basic visits and prevents you from ever facing a surprise hospital bill again. It is the ultimate way to stay healthy without risking another financial disaster. Bankruptcy is a tool for a fresh start and not a label of failure. If you are ready to rebuild your financial freedom, hit the like button. Subscribe to Smart Life for more ways to hack the system and protect your future. Drop a comment and share your best tip for staying positive during a comeback.